Vacationing can be a great way to relax and recharge, but it can also be expensive. However, with a little planning and creativity, it is possible to have a wonderful vacation without breaking the bank. Here are some tips to help you plan a vacation on a tight budget. Determine your budget. The first step in planning a budget-friendly vacation is to determine how much you can realistically afford to spend. Make a list of all the expenses you'll need to cover, such as transportation, lodging, food, and activities, and allocate your budget accordingly. Look for deals. There are many ways to save money on vacation expenses, such as booking flights and hotels during off-peak seasons, looking for last-minute deals, or using websites and apps that offer discounts. Consider alternative accommodations. Instead of staying in a traditional hotel, consider alternative accommodations such as vacation rentals, hostels, or camping. These options can often be much more budget-friendly. Eat cheaply. Instead of dining out at restaurants for every meal, consider cooking your own meals or buying food at local markets. This can save a significant amount of money over the course of your trip. Limit your activities. While it's important to have some fun on vacation, it's also important to be mindful of your budget. Limit the number of paid activities you do, and look for free or low-cost options instead. Use public transportation. Renting a car can be expensive, especially if you're planning to travel to a big city. Consider using public transportation or walking instead to save money on transportation costs. Avoid tourist traps. Tourist traps, such as souvenir shops and overpriced restaurants, can be a big drain on your budget. Instead, try to seek out local experiences and shops that are more authentic and affordable. Travel with friends. Vacationing with friends can be a great way to split costs and have a good time. Consider sharing a vacation rental or splitting the cost of activities to save money. Be flexible. Being flexible with your travel dates, destination, and activities can often result in significant cost savings. Consider keeping an open mind and being willing to change your plans if it means saving money. By following these tips, you can plan a vacation that is both enjoyable and budget-friendly. Remember to be mindful of your spending and to prioritize what is most important to you on your trip. With a little planning and creativity, you can have a wonderful vacation without breaking the bank.